In today's video, I'll show you on how you'd be able to schedule a post on your Facebook page. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go into Facebook and then go and switch into your Facebook page. And then once you're here, is that you want to go into your profile. And from here, you can't actually directly schedule it right here because you wouldn't have that option. What you need to do is to go into Meta Business Suite. And from here, when you click on that, you will now be proceeding here. Click on Create Post. And now you'd have more comprehensive features or options on your post. So from here, you can go for the post, like for example, text only. So I'm just going to go for just a random text. And now from here, you just simply want to go into scheduling options. You can now set the date and time right here. And you can also go for Instagram if you'd want to. And then you can also go for active times right here if you'd want to. So you can schedule your post for the times when your audience is most active, or manually set or select a date in the future to publish your post depending on what you'd want. So yeah, this is where you can set the date and time and schedule your post. Once you're done, click on schedule for Facebook right there. And then you will now be able to schedule that. As you can see, you have just scheduled your post through Meta Business Suite. Click on done. And then that's it. You have now scheduled it according to the date and time of your choosing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.